While welcoming and congratulating the House members on their tedious journey to success, Governor Obiano stressed that the synergy will help fast-track development in the state for the overall good of Anambra. The governor, who ascribed all powers to God, urged them to ensure that they discharge their duties to Anambra without fear or favor.
So the God that makes the king, very important. You are not in the 7th Assembly because of your power. It is because of God. And I'm confident that with that fear in your mind, you'll be able to discharge your responsibilities in the Anambra State, in particular, and to your constituencies, various constituencies in general.
In his speech, Right Honorable Okafor appreciated the governor for all the support he has been giving them, saying that members of the 7th Assembly are professionals from different backgrounds, which, according to him, will help in efficient service delivery. While pledging that the 7th Assembly will be peaceful, Right Honorable Okafor also pledged that the synergy already existing between the executive and legislature will be strengthened to ensure that the vision of the present administration is achieved. He appreciated his colleagues for electing him as their speaker, expressing optimism that the 7th Assembly will be the most peaceful and transparent to ensure increased service delivery to Anambra.
The promise we're giving you is that the synergy you have always had with the legislature will be strengthened in the 7th Assembly. Myself and my colleagues will always be there to support you to make sure that the lovely dream you have from Anambra will come to pass.
The Deputy Speaker of the House, Honorable Pascal Abodike, the Majority Leader, Dr. Nnamdi Okafor, the Deputy Majority Leader, Honorable Emeka Afoka, among others, attended the parley.